Actually, there's a new item. It's a new item for me. They make these in different flavors. So I got the flavor of the season. Hello everyone, welcome to another Trader Joe's haul. I think I am going to call this one SNACKTRAVAGANZA. It's the week following Memorial Day. It's Thursday the 28th, I believe. Yeah, 28th. And it's just been kind of a crazy week. The good news is we have our grand puppy here, Bella. It's our first time having her here with us, so we're just, extra cautious and we're just doting on her. So, and we have Butters, of course, so we gotta share the time. But anyways, all that to say, I went to Trader Joe's today because I need to get her more eggs. She has half an egg with each of her meals, so in the morning and then one in the evening. And I had one left that I boiled last night, so I needed those. And then everything else pretty much is snacks. So let's get to it. And a couple of new items. Actually, there's a new item. It's a new item for me. They make these in different flavors. So I got the flavor of the season. All right, let's get to it. A few new items, actually. I'll show them as I go. So let's start with this one. So, brand new item, and it's so funny because we have gotten this type of food or this certain way that they make it, and now they have it here, which I don't know how long it's been there. I'm trying to remember if I've seen it before, but we're gonna try this out and I will let you know. It is Detroit style uncured pepperoni pizza 2026. So there we are. It's pretty the weight is there, so I was like, okay, it's probably going to be a good one. Replenished our hash browns. These are great with, I got English muffins and eggs, and then you can put a hash brown in it. So it's like an egg McMuffin. You know, you would get the hash brown at McDonald's. I would always stick the hash brown in my egg McMuffin. So you make them at home. And this is like 2 something. Organic half and half for the coffee. I have my receipt. I think I spent $140. A lot less than normal, right? Some 1% milk, just for, whatever we might need. The treat, the chocolate milk. You've seen that before, Mr. California's treat. And I got these, which may end up being dinner. We'll see. Char siu bao. I think I got 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another treat. I know he likes this, and it's always so hard to find, like, do you just get ice cream? Do you get these? What do you do? If you have not tried these, I've had one. It's not really my, it looks delicious. It's just not my thing, which is good, because then I won't eat it. But ice cream, they're called Sublime Ice Cream Sandwiches. Vanilla ice cream sandwich between chocolate chip cookies rolled in mini chocolate chips. So if that's your bag, baby, there it is. They had 1 bag left, so I got it because I was going to make soup today and I did not. So, and I think I have 1 serving left of my yogurt. I did the cherry, quick jam kind of stuff, so I've been using that to top it. So I needed this. Plus, this is for dressing, which I know I'll be making soon. And this is really good. Bananas and cream yogurt cups. They have been certified delicious by Mr. California. Oh, what do I have in here? One more thing. I think they just changed the packaging because they used to have one that was a little more vacuum sealed, but I think it's the same, uncured applewood smoked bacon. But I'm just gonna fry a little up so I can put it with the soup and everything. I might do that tomorrow morning. We'll see how it goes. And I got more cucumbers because I did actually make it and I did not film it, so I'll have to share it with you. Cucumbers, red onion, garlic, garbanzo beans, a little bit of avocado oil, and balsamic. All right, so let's get down to the snack business. Snacks. We've got, I think I got 2 of each of these. This is really, really good. Whoops. It's hot honey popcorn. You can mix it with regular popcorn and or like a kettle corn, and it's good that way, or just on its own. It was a little reflection. But I thought it was going to be just kind of a temporary thing, but they still have it, so I got it. And I got this for chili last time I went, and I did use it, but then it was also, someone else enjoyed the snack. So it's really good. They do make really good corn chips, and they're corn chip dippers, so they have like kind of a scoop to them. And then you have heard about these. I absolutely love these barbecue chips, and these are like $2.99, I think, for a big bag. It's a full bag, so I did get 2 of those. What other snacks? Oh, this is the one. This is what I got. They make them in different flavors, and they do seasonal. I saw lemon. I think they always have a carrot cake. They have like people get tricked and they get the gluten-free one, which I've heard tastes horrible. And then they have like a milk chocolate, and I think they have a vanilla bean, like a chantilly lace. So I got strawberry. It looks good. It's a mini sheet cake. I don't know why I've been craving cake, but it's a mini, so it doesn't count. But it looks good. Hopefully it's good. Another snack. Okay, this is my snack. Honeycomb. They have to put candy because it's really not honeycomb, but it's got like honey in it. But it's crunchy and delicious. And then this is Mr. California's snack. I just got one this time instead of 4 or 5. Oh, product of Sweden. I didn't know they were made in Sweden. Contains milk, soy. Yeah, not too many ingredients in there. But anyways, these are delicious. The chocolate covered gummy bears. Moderation. Let me say that again. Moderation. Sour strawberry candy belts. Sometimes they have other flavors, but I think strawberry is the like one they always have. But these are really good. They're soft. They always seem to be fresh. So I got one of those. And someone had mentioned the cinnamon swirl bread. Weren't you at? Remember? Okay. So anyways, they have the cinnamon swirl bread. It looks sweet. But you can just toast it. You can make French toast out of it. There's a lot of things you could do with that. And then these are their English muffins. I think these are $1.99 for 6 of them, which is way cheaper than the Thomas. This is the balsamic that I really like. It's dark and a thicker balsamic. But I use it for dressings. You can use it, to do like with mozzarella cheese and bread. Anything. It's really, really good. I got, I hadn't seen this in a while, the organic garlic, like in the sleeve, so I needed some of that. 1 jalapeno. 2 more cans of these, because I think I have 1 left, but I need to make soup and whatever else. But this is what we've been using for like our pasta sauce. And I use this for the chili. It's so good. So 2 of those. And then I just try to keep or have 2 of each bean. So I got the kidney beans because I think I already have 1. And black beans. All right, on to bag number 3. I'm just gonna reach in. Here are our eggs. Costco, of course, has the best deal, but these are actually a really good price at Trader's. So these are the organic pasture-raised, organic pasture-raised large brown eggs, and these are like $6. Hope I didn't break any. We needed those. It's good to have eggs all the time because you got to bake with them, make your breakfast, and then Bella's food. All right, what do we got? I got a bag. Whoops! I could put these in soup. I just got a bag of gold potatoes. These are like $4, I think. I got a couple of really big baking potatoes for baked potatoes. I got a yellow onion and I got a red onion. One last little bag. I just put some stuff in here when I was in the car because the other ones were getting heavy. So just a couple last items. We got bananas. We got some mandarins. I feel like, I don't know. It's felt like the bag, like there's less in there. Like they don't, the same thing they do everywhere, right? They don't raise the price. They just put less product. Seems to be trending. And then I needed laundry detergent. I think I don't know if I've used this before, but I didn't want to like, no, I'll just get it when I go to Target because I hardly ever go there anymore. So I just got it. Free and clear. That's what I use. Well, I use it for both of us. And then I have softener for Mr. California's clothes. I cannot do that or I will break out in itchy hives. All right, I think that is all. So definitely a snack. What did I call it? A snack. Oh my gosh, extravaganza. A snack travaganza. I think that's how I said it. I have a few things. I have some still the pork loin that I need to put into the crock pot. So I still had some like proteins left that I wanted to use. But I think with this, we're almost to the weekend. Just the weather's been kind of chilly. Just some snacky foods to get us through. So again, thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already. Leave me a comment. Let me know your favorite Trader Joe items. If you have any questions about what's here. I do have my receipt that I will, of course, as always, include at the end of this video. And enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you all.